In this video tutorial, we'll show you two simple ways to add files to your Google Drive. One, using the Google Drive web interface, and two, using the Google Drive for Desktop app on your PC. Whether you prefer working in a browser or directly from Windows Explorer, both options make it easy to store your work files in the cloud. Let's get started. First, let's upload files using the web interface. Please note, you'll need to be connected to the internet to use this method. Open the web browser either by clicking on the Google Apps button and selecting Drive, or by navigating to drive.google.com and logging in with your Gustavus credentials if prompted. Navigate to the location where you want to upload your file, either under My Drive or Shared Drives. If you want to create a new folder for your file, click the plus New button in the upper left and select New Folder. Name it something clear and specific. Click Create. Open that folder. Once you're in the desired folder, simply open the Windows Explorer window. Navigate to where your files are located. Simply drag and drop files or folders from your computer into the Google Drive window. The files will upload and be saved in that location. Let's move on to the second option, using the Google Drive for Desktop. Open the Windows Explorer on your computer. Navigate to your Google Drive and select the drive that you want to move this folder into. If you'd like to create a new folder, you can right-click in the background and select New and select Folder. Give the folder a name. Press Enter. Open the document. Next, we need to open another Windows Explorer window. We can go to the File menu and select Open New Window to open New Window. Find the files that you want to drag into your Google Drive. Drag and drop files or folders from this window into your Google Drive. That's it! The files will sync automatically and be available online and across your devices. Whether you add files using the web or desktop version, they'll be available in both places instantly as long as you're connected to the internet. The files you upload will retain their original format. For example, an Excel file will stay an Excel file. Please do not store personal files on your college-provided account. If you should have any questions or need assistance, please contact the GTS helpline at 507-933-6111 or email at helpline@gustavus.edu.